Hi, this is Steven with Wonderfully Made Handcrafting. The first Hubby Dub didn't work somehow, or I don't know, it didn't accept. So we're doing it again, and with sailboats and film wheels and fish nets galore. So we're going to take some Distress Oxide and put it on the fish net. And then we're going to talk about the verse. Matthew 16, verse 15 to 17. Let's go. He said to them, "But who do you say that I am?" This is Jesus talking. Simon Peter replied, "You are the Christ, the Son of the living God." And Jesus answered, "Blessed are you, Simon Bar-Jonah, for flesh and blood has not revealed this to you, but my Father who is in heaven." And this is day 5, I believe, on the Devo for By the Well for God. And we're going to put some Crackle paste in there. I don't really like the Crackle paste. I know that Lori doesn't like it because it wrinkles up the page, and I am in that camp as well. I don't like the wrinkly pages. So what we're going to do is go over to the Big Shot and take the new Tim Holtz die cut that's of like a film wheel. The slide projector things. Those are really cool to look at. And we're going to spin it around a few times, get it in the right spot. And then we're going to tape it down so that it stays perfectly on there. So we can cut out this die cut of the film wheel. And roll it through, back and forth. Bada bing, there you go. It's cut out. I'm going to take some of these broken glass tiles. Watch out you don't cut your fingers. And figure out which one we're going to go for here. I think we're going for like a, the look on the slide projector tiles that's kind of like filmy. I think that's what we're going for here. Going out on a limb. But I think that's it. And we are going to put it on there. Then we're going to take some of this color and put it on the broken glass to give it that more of that filmy look, that old film kind of color, that translucent tan broken glass look. And let's see. Then we are going to put some Distress Oxide on the edges. I don't know what color that is, but we're going to put some on. And then we're going to take some of this resist spray that is really messy. So Taryn took it outside to do it. And it's really wet and nice and shiny. So we're going to take our heat tool and dry it off. Keep drying it, spin it around. And then we're going to take that broken glass and attach it to the back of the film wheel with some glue. Yep, glue it all over. There you go. All the lines. Press it down. Boom. Yep, flip it over, press it down, get it nice and adhered to the film wheel. Then we're going to go around and round and cut out the film wheel from the plastic backing, or the glass, the broken glass backing. Cut it around, get all the pieces off. And then we're going to tape the scripture side of the Bible so we don't get any unnecessary Distress Oxide onto the other pages. Then we're going to take a picture of the sailboat, kind of position it on the page there, and then blush up the rest of the page. So it looks kind of old. We love the old look. And we're going to take a t-shirt and pat it down. Grab that wheel. And sailboat Sammy's going to come out and look for a ride on a sailboat with his little flag in a couple minutes. But first we're going to take some of this gray color and finger paint it onto the fishnet stencils that we put the Crackle paste on. The snappily, crackly, poppily paste. Makes me think of Rice Krispies. It'd be cool if Crackle paste had a crackly sound like Rice Krispies do, in my opinion. We're going to take some of this whiteout looking stuff and flick it onto the page so it looks like splatters, and then we're going to dry it off. I'm going to do some with this this other color. It's like a brownish, rusty color. Then we're going to dry it off some more. There's a little blob there. We're going to take care of that with the t-shirt. Pat it down. We're going to spray it around so that it gets all runny. And then we're going to take some of this paint to kind of wash out the background to make it kind of brighter. Just like that washed out look there. White it out. Yep, cover all the splatters that we put on the page. I'm going to paint it. And then we're going to dry it with the heat tool. Got to get that edge of the page nice and flat there. Then we're going to put the picture with, there's Sailboat Sammy. Looking for a ride. Come sail away with me, lads, he says, as he goes up to the sailboats with his little flag. I don't know if it's Golfin' Gary or Sailboat Sammy. I don't know if he's holding a golf tee or if he's trying to get a sailboat to hitch a sailboat ride. Then we're going to take this translucent backing and put it on the back of, put the sailboat picture onto that translucent something card. I'm going to take this ledger paper and rip it out for another layer of backing there. I like how the ledger paper really looks antique-y. But if it wasn't antique-y enough, the distress oxide on the edges will ensure the antiqueness. I'm going to take this thread, I think it is, or gauze or something. I'm going to put it on the bottom. And then I believe we are going to take some of this fishnet. Yeah. Cut that out. It kind of goes along with the oceany theme that we're going for in this. Sailboat Sammy is, you know, if he's going to catch a ride on a sailboat, he better earn his keep by catching some fish. So we're going to give him some fishnet, obviously. Then we are going to fit Sailboat Sammy in the perfect spot. And a sand dollar. I love sand dollars. But you know what? You can't take sand dollars off the beach. The alive ones, at least, because that's not allowed. I just learned this a few years ago because I love to take them, and apparently they die if you take them off the beach. So, lesson learned. So now we're going to put a line from that verse, Matthew 16:16, and it says, "You are the Christ." And then we're going to put some embossing powder onto that verse. There, that portion of the verse. Tweeze it out of the pile and emboss those letters. I'm going to stick it right on. Oh, can't forget that distress oxide on the edges. Make it look nice and old. I'm going to put it on the thing and staple it on. And a little paper clippy on the top. And we're going to glue that picture of the sailboat onto the film wheel. Then Sailboat Sammy is going to get his blush on. Make him look nice and antique-y. Put him on there. I don't know why he has a flag, honestly. Maybe he's just waving down some of the sailboats. So now we glued him down. And now we're going to take this adhesive strip tape and peel that off. Yep, peel the back off, and then we're going to press it down onto the page in just the right spot. But yep, there it is. That's perfect. Just pat it down. Remove the painter's tape from the other side of the page, and we're going to outline those things and put a date on it. Catch those other Hubby Dubs, and if you like this video, like and subscribe. Mindy and Jess's husband do a wonderful job on their videos as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.